How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. First, open or launch the Settings app of the phone. After that, you will see all the different settings you have in there. Since Android phones' settings appear differently, we are going to use the search bar to search for the setting we need to change. Next, go to the Settings search section by tapping on it. After that, you will be able to search for whatever setting you want. Next, search for floating by typing it in the search bar. From the search suggestions that appear, tap on this one here named Floating Notifications. This will take you to this page where you will see an option named Floating Notifications. Here it is, tap on it just like I have done. After that, check if the feature is disabled and enable it just like I have done here. From there, come back to the main settings page again and then proceed to the settings search section and type picture. From the search suggestions, look for one named Picture in the Picture. Here it is, tap on it. After that, you will land on this page where you have to again tap on the feature which appears among many other features. After that, you will see a list of all the apps that support the feature. Next, look for a messenger from the list. After finding it, check if the feature is enabled. You can know this by checking if this toggle button here is turned on or off. If it is off, then toggle it on just like I have done, and just like that, you have enabled Picture-in-Picture for Messenger. Finally, after doing all that, proceed and go to the Play Store where you have to search for the Messenger mobile application. Next, check if the app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the latest plus the missing features on the app. This also installs a newer version of the app, getting rid of any glitches that were there before.